Have you ever wondered why some websites seem to attract traffic like a magnet while others barely get a trickle? Today, we're diving into the realm of website traffic and search engine optimization, or SEO as it's more commonly known. But we're not just talking about traditional SEO tactics. Oh no, we're going beyond, much beyond. You see, there's a common misconception floating around that SEO alone can drive significant traffic to a website. While SEO is undoubtedly essential, it's not the end-all be-all, it's merely one piece of a much larger puzzle. Imagine thinking you could assemble a complex jigsaw puzzle with just a single piece. Sounds absurd, right? That's precisely what you're doing if you're relying solely on traditional SEO to drive traffic to your website. So, are you ready to discover next-level strategies that go beyond conventional SEO? If you're ready to boost your website traffic to new heights, then you're in the right place. But before we begin, I would love it if you subscribe to this channel. And as always, please like and comment below. Thanks. SEO is important, no doubt, but it has its limitations. Let's dive a little deeper into that statement. Traditional SEO is often hailed as the holy grail of digital marketing, but it's not without its challenges. One of the most prominent limitations is the time it takes to see results. SEO is not a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience and persistence. You can't just optimize your website today and expect to see a surge in traffic tomorrow. It could take months, sometimes even years, to start seeing substantial results. Then there's the matter of search engine algorithms. These complex and often inscrutable formulas determine where your website ranks in search results. But here's the problem: they're constantly changing. What works today may not work tomorrow. In fact, Google, the most popular search engine, is known to make several hundred changes to its algorithms each year. Staying on top of these changes can be a full-time job in itself, and even then, there's no guarantee your efforts will pay off. And let's not forget about the intense competition for popular keywords. With millions of websites vying for the top spots in search results, it can be incredibly difficult to make your mark, especially if you're in a highly competitive industry. So you see, while SEO is an essential component of any digital marketing strategy, relying on it alone may not be enough to drive significant traffic to your website. It's like trying to win a race with one leg. Sure, you might make some progress, but you're not going to get very far without a lot of struggle. That's why we need to think outside the traditional SEO box. We need to go beyond SEO and explore other strategies that can help increase website traffic. That's why we need to go beyond SEO and explore other strategies to increase website traffic. Social media is not just for sharing cat videos, it's a powerful tool to drive traffic. Picture this: billions of people worldwide scrolling through their feeds, engaging with content, clicking on links. Your website could be just a tap away from this massive audience, thanks to the power of social media. Let's delve into the details. Every social media platform is like a bustling digital marketplace. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even TikTok, each one is teeming with potential visitors for your website. But how do you get these people to click on your website link? Firstly, you need to engage with your followers. It's not enough to just post content. You need to create a dialogue, respond to comments, ask questions, and show that there's a real person behind the account. This helps to build trust and credibility, encouraging people to take that next step and visit your website. Secondly, don't just share any content. Share valuable content. This could be insightful blog posts, helpful tips, engaging videos, or even just a funny meme that's relevant to your brand. Quality content gets shared, and every share is a potential new visitor to your website. Of course, organic reach is great, but sometimes you need a little extra push. That's where social media ads come into play. They allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring your content gets in front of the right people. And the best part? You can start with a small budget and scale up as you see results. Remember, social media is not just about broadcasting, it's about conversation, it's about building relationships with your audience, providing value, and guiding them towards your website. So don't underestimate the power of social media in driving traffic to your website. It's a key piece of the puzzle in your journey to next-level website traffic. And who knows, maybe one day your website will be the one people are sharing alongside those cat videos. Content is king, and it can be your ticket to more website traffic. Have you ever considered how creating valuable, engaging content can attract more visitors to your site? It's an approach that many successful digital marketers swear by. And it's time we delve into why it's such a big deal. Think about it. When you create content that resonates with your audience, they're more likely to share it with others. This is where the magic happens. The more shares your content gets, the more eyeballs it reaches. And the more eyeballs it reaches, the higher the chances of driving traffic to your site. So what kind of content are we talking about? Well, it could be anything from blog posts to guest articles, infographics to videos. The key is to create content that is not only high in quality, but also relevant to your audience. Remember, people share what they find useful or interesting. Let's talk about blogging for a moment. Regularly publishing blog posts on your site can establish you as an authority in your field. It gives your audience a reason to keep coming back, but it doesn't stop there. Guest posting on other relevant sites can also increase your visibility and attract new visitors. Then there are infographics and videos. These are powerful tools for conveying complex information in an easily digestible format. They're visually engaging and shareable, making them perfect for driving traffic. But creating great content is only half the battle won. The other half is promoting it. You need to ensure your content reaches as many people as possible. This could mean sharing it on your social media channels, sending it out via email, or even partnering with influencers in your niche. So let's recap. To harness the potential of content marketing, you need to create valuable, engaging content. You need to promote it effectively, and you need to do these consistently. Remember, great content can attract, engage, and convert visitors into customers. Email marketing may be old school, but it's still one of the most effective ways to drive traffic. This trusty tool, steeped in digital antiquity, has kept pace with the changing landscape of internet communication. It's the digital equivalent of a handwritten letter, a personal and direct line to your audience. Building an email list is like gathering a crowd who want to hear what you have to say. These are people who have willingly given you their email addresses, granting you permission to pop into their inbox. It's a privilege, and with it comes the responsibility of providing value. That's where regular newsletters come into play. These aren't just emails, they're little packets of value, delivering insights, tips, updates, and more right into the hands of your audience. Creating engaging emails is an art and a science. The art lies in crafting a compelling narrative, a story that resonates with your reader. It could be a behind-the-scenes peek at your work, a success story, or a thoughtful piece on a relevant topic. The science is in the structure. A catchy subject line to pique curiosity, an engaging opening line, clear and concise content, and a call to action encouraging your readers to visit your website. Personalization and segmentation are not mere buzzwords in the world of email marketing. They are fundamental practices that can dramatically increase the effectiveness of your emails. Personalization is about making your reader feel seen and understood. It's about addressing them by their name, acknowledging their preferences, and tailoring your content to suit their needs. Segmentation, on the other hand, is about organizing your email list into meaningful groups based on shared characteristics or behaviors. This allows you to send targeted content that resonates more deeply with different segments of your audience. So never underestimate the power of a well-crafted email to drive traffic to your website. Like a magic spell, it can summon your audience from the far reaches of the digital realm, drawing them into your world, one click at a time. Let's recap what we've learned about next-level website traffic tactics. We kicked off our journey understanding the limitations of traditional SEO. Sure, it's a great starting point, but it's not the be-all and end-all. We can't just rely on keywords and backlinks anymore. We then dived into the vibrant world of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram aren't just for sharing selfies, they're powerful tools for driving traffic to your website. Next, we unwrapped the gift of content marketing. From blog posts to podcasts, quality content is king. It not only brings visitors to your site, but keeps them coming back for more. And let's not forget the magic of email marketing. It might feel old school, but it's a tried and true method for keeping your audience engaged and driving repeat traffic. So don't just rely on SEO. Explore these next-level tactics to drive more traffic to your website and see your online presence grow. For more information about marketing with success while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.